Your strength and conditioning coach is wasting your time. As a fighter and as a coach who has trained fighters, I believe that strength and conditioning should be used as a tool to help you become more robust, build physical strength and cardiovascular endurance. When you are supplementing with strength and conditioning to help you become stronger, fitter, more agile, then that is fantastic. However, what I do see is a lot of strength and conditioning coaches making their clients, making their fighters prioritize strength and conditioning as a means to their success. And this isn't the case. As a fighter, the main thing that you should be focusing on, the main thing you should be trying to improve is your skill. Being in the gym, sparring, pad work, learning the technique. Instead of that, I see a lot of fighters over supplementing with strength and conditioning and using that as a means to their success. And while I do believe that strength and conditioning is amazing, helping you become more robust, prevent injuries, improve all these aspects as a fighter, it should be used only as a tool and it shouldn't be used as a priority. And I do see this far too often, especially in the rise of social media. Strength and conditioning has become so out there, it's become so heavily promoted that it's actually taken away from the core of what a fighter should be working on, and that is the skill of fighting. So if that's wrestling, judo, boxing, you should be prioritizing what's going to be taking you to the next level, what's going to be giving you the skills, because that's all that matters. You're going to find that the fighter who's spending more time inside their sport is going to be the fighter who's going to have way more success, and I have seen this hands-on. Now, again, I am not discrediting strength and conditioning because I've used it myself. I've helped people use it as a means to become stronger, more robust, prevent injuries, but it should not take away from what you are mainly trying to achieve, and that's becoming more skilled, becoming more efficient inside the ring, inside the cage, inside the mats, and developing your game to the best of your ability.